Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to today's airsofting video. My name is Max, and what I will be sharing with you guys today is the shooting demonstration of the Elite Force Glock G17 Gen 4 green gas. So you guys have seen probably in the last few videos that I have posted with the review and unboxing of this bad boy. So this is going to be part 3 of the review for this, and it's going to be the shooting demonstration. So I have shared the links for the unboxing and the verbal review of this, and today is just going to be the full-on shooting demonstration. So I hope you guys enjoy.